are challenged by mounting security threats in every conceivable sector, public and private. Government agencies and institutions, industrial enterprises, critical national and international infrastructure. A whole new generation of solutions is required both to meet those challenges and to give greater freedom of authorized access and ease of management. There is an answer. One that works and can work for you. Abloy ProTech 2 has been designed to even exceed the demands of the 21st century's marketplace. The Abloy ProTech 2 rotating disc cylinder construction is unique. Keys and disc use a principle where cuts are made in two different radii. In addition, the disc blocking system stops any attempt to manipulate discs. Abloy ProTech 2 is bump-proof, even when master keyed. We believe it's the most secure mechanism in the mechanical keying market sector. An arrangement in the key and in the cylinder cancels out the effect of key wear during operation, ensuring a long and trouble-free service life. The disc controller has been extensively redesigned to interact with a ball bearing that is located within the key itself, making the production of unauthorized keys even more difficult and highly unlikely. More than 100 years of world-leading high-security experience has created Abloy ProTech 2. Master key systems fulfill the end-user's precise specification. Our master keying means that Abloy ProTech 2 cylinder products can be keyed into the same master key system. And this can provide unique access rights for different user groups. This is where we excel, and where Abloy ProTech 2 comes into its own. The possibilities are endless. In addition to mechanical locking, highly miniaturized data encryption electronics can be embedded directly inside the key and core of a cylinder. This electromechanical system enables planned and secure access management for personnel and control of material flows. Security threats are not static, nor are the solutions. The driving force behind every part of Abloy is a commitment to provide reliable service together with the highest quality products for any given application. The answer lies in our continuous improvements through R&D, testing, production, and a long history of innovative excellence. In 1907, Emil Henriksson, an office machinery mechanic in Helsinki, invented the unique Abloy rotating disc locking mechanism. The core of all Abloy locks is still based on that unique invention, giving it superior features. Today, Abloy is the global leader in door security solutions, dedicated to satisfying end-user needs for security, safety, and convenience, with a worldwide network of distributors and sales units. With an extensive product range, the core always remains the same. The outer covering can be changed according to need to meet local standards and applications. Alloy locks and cylinders are chosen worldwide for sensitive applications in the most exposed locations. They are recognized as the world's premium high-security locking systems, used extensively by private, commercial, and government end users who demand the ultimate in high-security master key systems. Security of facilities, of infrastructure, of equipment and goods is crucial. At the same time, in today's world, people's safety is more and more important. Our mission is to provide complete locking solutions to help people feel safer and more secure. Alloy ProTech 2 is one more milestone in that mission.